Experience unparalleled elegance and sophistication in this meticulously maintained residence, constructed in 2021. Situated in the exclusive Watergrass community on a premium cul-de-sac lot, this move-in ready home features a bright and airy open floor plan with a seamless flow, ideal for modern living. Boasting 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, this energy-efficient home incorporates noise-reducing spray foam insulation, meets or exceeds EPA's indoor airPLUS standards, and is equipped with high-performance MERV 13 filters, which significantly reduce bacteria, pet dander, and some viral particles. Additional amenities include low E windows, sealed air-conditioned ducts, and an air-conditioned attic. The front entrance welcomes you with a beautifully landscaped lawn and garden, complemented by a zoned irrigation system for both the front and backyard. The home features a striking entryway with distinctive wood wall paneling and a convenient mudroom area adjacent to the garage, perfect for managing everyday essentials with added storage cabinets. The residence is adorned with elegant wood-look tile flooring throughout. The chef's kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, featuring upgraded quartz countertops, shaker cabinets with glass inserts, stainless steel appliances, a custom wood pantry, and a large 9-foot island that seats 4 comfortably. The great room is pre-wired with 5 indoor speakers for surround sound and includes a luxury walk for superior internet connectivity. The primary bedroom, located privately at the rear of the home, offers a serene retreat with a wood-paneled accent wall, a barn door leading to the ensuite bathroom, a frameless shower, a custom closet, and a linen closet. The home has recently been professionally repainted, enhancing its pristine condition. The newly extended and screened-in lanai, finished with pavers, provides a tranquil space overlooking a large pond and bird sanctuary, offering breathtaking sunrises and views of space launches from your own backyard. The oversized lot features a spacious, fenced backyard ensuring ultimate privacy. Additional features include upgraded lighting throughout, a whole house eco-pure H20 water softener system, a generously sized laundry room with extra cabinets, trim lights, and permanent outdoor lights around the entire exterior of the home, allowing for versatile lighting options without the hassle of holiday lights and wires. This home stands out with its timeless charm, perfect for festive occasions and enhancing the neighborhood's ambience year-round. Watergrass is a master-planned community in the heart of Wesley Chapel with several playgrounds, parks, and pools. Your new home is 2.8 miles to Publix, restaurants and Home Depot. You'll have your very own Watergrass Elementary School and Fire Department within Watergrass. 5 to 10 minutes from schools, shopping, dining, outlet mall and just 45 minutes to downtown.